welcome to Mikayla's List. Hi guys, my name is Mikayla and my channel's name is Mikayla's List, and today we're going to open up Blume Petal Pets and unicorns. Let's do this one first. Yeah, let's open it. Got the little top piece. Now I'm going to open all the stuff inside. Why is it stuck? Oh, there's other plastic around it. Let's see what we will get in this one. Oh, it looks like we got a little comb. It looks like that. And there's cookies, chocolates, and cupcake. Wow. Ooh, we got some stickers over here that look like this. And 2 donuts. Let's see what else we'll get. Oh, this is the slime part. Oh, I hate that smell. It's horrible. See the slime. Oh, it's just really soft. Wow. It's a little soft. Feels like Play-Doh. Feels like marshmallow. Look at it. Has glitter in it. So stretchy. Put that aside and figure out what that unicorn is supposed to look like. Or have. Is this her hair? That's her hair. Is there something inside? No. Let's see. Oh, her hair needs to just try to fit in somewhere, somehow. What's supposed to go there? I don't know. This is what the unicorn looks like. See what else we have. Oh, we have some accessories for her. Let's put them on. I'm gonna put the dress. Where does it go? I think it goes like here somehow. There. Now for the other accessories. This is the little top for the head, I think. There. Cat. Her name is Cat. What? But it's K-A-T. Did they spell it wrong? That makes a K sound. Why did they put K-A-T? Cat, cat, cat. That's cat. she looks like. And we got this brush for her. Got the yellow slime. Ah, so satisfying. And now we're gonna open up this toy. I'm gonna see you soon. I'm just gonna fill this up with water real quick. I'm gonna be right back. Don't forget to press the link on this and this. Let's open this. Gonna fill this up with water real quick. Okay, I filled up water. I'm just going to fill this up. Let's see what charm I got. A little stuck. Got it. It's a little star. Let's see. What do we have here? Cute. So look what I got. It says that I got this one. Wait, somewhere. Got that one. Goodbye. Don't forget my channel's name is Mikayla's List. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Don't forget to like and subscribe.